So I've been exploring the trade ideas for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the trade ideas. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the trade ideas. One of the standout features of trade ideas is its AI-driven stock scanning tool known as Holly. The platform has 3 versions of Holly: Holly Grail, Holly 2.0, and Holly Neo, each one offering different strategies and insights. This AI feature is a big plus for traders who are looking to automate their strategies or get advanced recommendations in real time. The platform also allows for a lot of customization, with features like Brokerage Plus, where you can integrate with platforms like Interactive Brokers to automate trades, or even use simulated trading for practice without real money online. For traders who like to test new strategies, Trade Ideas Odds Maker lets you backtest setups to see how they would perform under different conditions. Trade Ideas educational content is another major strength. It offers a range of webinars and tutorials. Plus, you can even book one-on-one training sessions with experts. This makes Trade Ideas more accessible for traders at different levels. And if you're more of a hands-on learner, they offer a live trading room where you can interact with traders and support staff free of cost. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. For instance, the standard plan costs around $127 per month, while the premium plan costs around $254 per month, which can be a hefty price tag for casual traders. Additionally, it's limited to desktop only, which can be inconvenient if you need to trade on the go. Another downside is that while the platform is robust, it can feel overwhelming for beginners. There's a steep learning curve, especially if you're not used to advanced trading tools. And if you're looking for a dedicated charting platform, Trade Ideas falls short in comparison to platforms like TradingView, which offer a lot more in terms of chart indicators. Overall, Trade Ideas is a powerful tool for serious traders, particularly those who can benefit from AI-driven insights and backtesting. However, if you're just starting out, you might want to consider more beginner-friendly options. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.